Hi friends! Let's spin our wheel to see who we're making today. Today's wheel is a special Christmas one. Look at all the Christmas characters, aren't they cute? It's the Snowflake Queen. Let's go. We'll start by using tracing paper to draw the outline of our Snowflake Queen. Ooh, there's a festive Christmas stocking. One eye, two eyes. Let's mix some sparkly blue paint for her dress. Blue. Look at it swirling and twirling. It looks magical. We'll use our blue paint for the Snowflake Queen's dress. Look, a Christmas present. I heard a knock. Look, it's our Christmas doors. There are two doors, one on the left and one on the right. The door on the left looks like it's made of gingerbread and sweets. Let's open it and see what's inside. What is it? It's a slice of Christmas cake. It looks good enough to eat. What a cute ornament for our Christmas tree. Now let's open the door on the right. What's inside? It's a beautiful swan. Look at its long, graceful neck and white sparkles. Imagine how pretty this would look on the tree. Let's add some more detail to our Snowflake Queen. She loves to take walks through the deep white snow and feed treats to all her animal friends. Oh, hello, little robin. Do you ever see any robins in wintertime? I love seeing them. Now for some glittery paint to add some sparkle and shimmer to our lovely Snowflake Queen. It's a Christmas matching game. Let's see if we can find any matches. It's a rocking horse. This one's a robin, not a match. We've got the robin again. Do you remember where he was? Yay, it's a match. Well done. On the top row, we have a Christmas stocking. On the bottom row, we have a rocking horse. Not a match. Stocking. It's the other stocking. Two stockings, a match. Our last two cards are a match, the rocking horses. That was fun. Maybe you could make your own Christmas matching cards to play this at home. Now she's ready to be cut out. She's all done. She looks beautiful. I like the snowflakes on her dress. I think she could be missing something though. Let's see if we can find her something special from Sid's mystery bag. Hi, Sid. It's a hat. What type of hat is this? Yes, a witch's hat. She's not a witch. And she already has a beautiful snowflake crown on her head. She doesn't need this. Let's try again. What's this? An umbrella! That would be useful for the rain. Oh, the rain stopped. She doesn't need this. Let's reach in again. Wow, it's a magic snowflake wand. Perfect for our Snowflake Queen. She's all finished. I love how sparkly and frosty she looks. I think she looks kind too. She can use her magic snowflake wand to make it snow. Snowflake Queen. Back to our wheel. We've already made our Snowflake Queen and our gingerbread man. I wonder who'll be next. Let's follow Sid to spin the wheel and see.